Of the name tag assignment. So the first thing we need to do is turn these fillets into holes to round the corner of your name tag. So select all 4 of your fillets. You'll know you have all 4 when it says shapes 4. And we want to turn them into a hole. So click the hole button. Now select 1 fillet and your name tag. Then select the Align button. And we're going to align it to the right and to the top. Then with both objects still selected, we're going to group them together. Then move on to your next fillet. Select your name tag and your fillet, align to the top and to the right, to the left. Then group them together. Go on to the next one. Select the fillet and the name tag, align, and go to the left. And this time we're going to go to the bottom. Group them together. Then the last one, select the name tag and the fillet, click Align, and go to the right and to the bottom, and group them together. Next, we're going to put 2 holes on each side, one here and one here. To accomplish that, you're going to use a cylinder. So bring out a cylinder that is a hole, and in the dialog box we need to change a couple of things. First, for sides, change it from 20 all the way over to 64. That will make your cylinder more round. Then we need to change the dimensions of the cylinder. Right now it's 20 by 20. We want to make it 5 by 5. The height does not matter as long as it's taller than the name tag. We need 2 of those, so we're going to duplicate it. And now we have 2 of them. Oops. Come on. And now we need to select the name tag and the cylinder, and again align them. This time we're going to go to the left and to the middle. Okay, but we don't want the hole to be right here on the edge, so you need to move it over. To do that, you need a ruler. If you're using an iPad, you need a ruler. If you are not using an iPad, you can use the keys on your keyboard to move it over 3 millimeters to the right. Here we can see the location of the cylinder. It's at 1 and 28.5. So we want to move it over from 1. We want to add 3 millimeters to that. So we're going to change it from 1 to 4. And now that we've got it a little bit from the edge, we're going to select both of those and group them together. Now we have a small hole here on the side. Repeat that with the other cylinder. Select both the cylinder and the name tag. Align. Go to the right and to the middle. And then now we can see, if we select just that cylinder, we can see it's at 196. So I'm going to subtract 3 from that and make it 193. And that will move it over 3 millimeters and get it in the correct position. Select both the name tag and the hole and group them together. And that is part 2.